Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about how to prevent scratches on your car's windscreen. We all know how annoying and unsightly scratches can be. So today we are going to show you some tips and tricks to keep your windscreen looking brand new. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Avoid parking under trees. Did you know that parking your car under trees can increase the risk of scratches on your windscreen? That's because tree sap, bird droppings, and other debris can fall onto your car and scratch the surface. So try to avoid parking under trees whenever possible. We all know it is good to keep your car away from the scorching sun. So we all look for some kind of shade to park, and the best option for most people is to park under trees because there are not too many tents or parking areas with shade around. So we tend to look for trees that has shade, then we park under them. But hey, that is not the best option because you are putting your car at risk. Your car's windscreen would be scratched because of tree sap and bird droppings and other debris that can fall on your car screen. Moving on to the next tip. Tip number 2. Use a soft cloth to clean your windscreen. When it comes to cleaning your windscreen, be sure to use a soft cloth or microfiber towel. Avoid using rough or abrasive materials like paper towels or sponges, as these can cause scratches. And don't forget to use a gentle cleaning solution. So most of us are used to cleaning our cars with car dusters. There is this thing we call car duster, and that is what most of us are used to using to clean our cars. But hey, the best option is to use a microfiber towel. Anytime there is dirt, use a microfiber towel. And don't forget to use a gentle cleaning solution to wipe off the dirt from your windscreen. Dust and other debris settle on the windscreen. So anytime we need to clean it, let's not forget to first wash it down with water before we use the microfiber towel. Let's also be sure that the microfiber towel is not dirty. Don't forget to also use a gentle cleaning solution. Using a strong cleaning solution might do harm to your windscreen and will reduce the clarity of your windscreen. So please be sure to not use a strong cleaning solution. Moving on to tip number 3. Your windscreen wipers can also contribute to scratches if they are not in good condition. Worn out wipers or dirty blades can cause streaks and scratches on your windscreen. So be sure to replace your wipers regularly and clean the blades with a soft cloth. It is very good to replace your wiper blades because every once in a while the wiper blades get into bad conditions and we have to replace them, because if you don't replace them, they are going to now scratch your screen anytime you use them to wipe your screen, especially in raining seasons, because scratches made under wet conditions are mostly not visible unless the screen is dry. Then you will now begin to see some streaks on your windscreen and you'll be asking yourself, like you'll be wondering, how did this get here? My wiper blades works fine, so what happened? So to avoid all these, make sure you change your wiper blades regularly. If you have learned something at this point, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to learn more anytime we post a new video. Now, tip number 4. Park away from construction sites. If you live in an area with a lot of construction sites, be sure to park your car away from them. Construction sites often have dust, dirt, and other debris in the air, which can scratch your windscreen. So, try to park in a different location if possible. As we all know, construction sites have dirt and dust in the air, which settles on cars that are parked nearby. So if you live in a place where there is a construction going on, the best option is to park at a different location. Or better still, cover your car with a car cover. It's better safe than sorry. If you don't have a car cover, before you move your car, you would want to clean your windscreen or wipe the dirt off. The best thing to do is to first use water. Pour water onto the windscreen before you use your microfiber towels or your car's wiper blades to wipe the screen off. Finally, moving on to tip number 5. Avoid using your windscreen as a storage area. Try to avoid using your windscreen as a storage area. Placing heavy objects on your windscreen can cause scratches, cracks, and even breakage. So keep your windscreen clear and free from any objects. Yes, even books can cause scratches on your windscreen because some books have hard coverings and the design made on them can create little scratches on your windscreen. So do not use your windscreen as a storage area. Keep things away from your windscreen. And that is it for our tips on how to prevent scratches on your car's windscreen. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any other tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you all so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.